Yeah, I really like this pile originally when I got here, man. I got my power all the way up on this thing. I'm definitely going all the way through this. This goes about... Oh, wait. Oh, dude, it's because I turned my power up. Right here, dude. We gotta dig deep, bro. I'm telling you, I think we might have it, bro. No bullshit. Hey, get all this stuff out of here. Oh, it could be a nail. Oh, something. Hold on. Hold this over here. I didn't realize that there was a... It's probably that thing that I was hitting, but I don't know, let me just double check. That was getting a good signal. I don't know if that's that nail or not, man. I gotta dig this out a little better. That doesn't really sound like a nail to me. I dug a lot of nails, as you can imagine.
Yeah.
Oh, it's because it's a spike. See that big bad boy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was definitely it. But I wasn't hearing that the first couple times I was going over it. Oh, man, that one threw me off. That's not what I was listening to, buddy.
Oh! Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah!
That's what I'm talking
Dude,
about.
how's that, huh?
Yeah, man.
Dude, don't do. Oh, dude, that's fun. I'm
Look,
pumped for you, bro.
Me too, man.
What'd I tell you about that, huh?
It's $800 back in my pocket.
Everybody thinks I'm joking till I'm not joking.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I can't believe it's on that side.
A little difficult. It wasn't easy.
Come off right as
There's nails. There's spikes.
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh,
Hey, let me
right
get a picture
there.
of that thing.
I was like,